Another flash flood occurred on April 11, 2023. Heavy rain in the Yukarigoglu area of Halfeti district, Turkey, resulted in flash floods hitting several areas there. Due to the unfavorable weather conditions, thousands of residents experienced power outage in several parts of the city. In several videos shared by residents on social media, it can be seen that flood mixed with mud filled the city streets and started to enter people's homes. Some damage was reported due to the flood. The activities of the local residents became stagnant. Cars were also not spared from the burn of the flood. This is the third time the Şanlıurfa region, Turkey, has been hit by flash floods in 2023. Even though the flood this time is not as bad as the flood as few months ago, it still has a bad impact on the community. Residents around the area suffered losses because their belongings were washed away by the flood. Everyone hopes that the floods in Turkey will decide quickly and there will be no more aftershocks. Natural disasters in 2023 have become more frequent. We don't know what awaits us in 2024, how global warming and climate change will affect our Earth.